Hi there. Today we are going to learn about ad extensions. As we know, there are five types of campaigns are there in Google Ads: search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign, and app campaign. In search campaign, we have something known as ad extensions. So now, what do you understand by ad extensions? Basically, ad extensions are used at the, let's say, bottom of your, I would say, ad extensions are used at the end of an ad copy to give extra information to your customer. For example, if I search digital marketing courses in Bangalore, so I can see over here, this is my headline, the blue color one is my headline. After that, I can see description, and at the bottom, I can see some more links are there. This is nothing but my ad extensions. So this is like, let's say this is a site link extension. We have many ad extensions are available. Let's go through all the ad extensions one by one. So let me show it practically. I'll go to campaigns, click on the plus sign, click on the new campaign, go for the sales objective. I scroll down, go for the search campaign. Over here, I can go for continue. Once I go for continue, you can scroll down networks and location, everything you can do. At the bottom, you can see there's something known as ad extensions. So now what do you understand by ad extensions? I have told you very clearly. Ad extensions are used to give additional information to your ads. Okay, so let's go through all the extensions one by one. Very first extension is site link extension. So for site link extensions are nothing but you can create from here. You can give a site link text. For example, I would say digital, or I would say digital marketing. You can give description one, description two. You can give a URL over here. So this will be displayed something in this format. If I search over here, digital marketing courses in Bangalore, I can see some extra URLs at the bottom. These hyperlinks are nothing but site link extensions. So this one is your site link extensions. Moving forward, next one we'll go to next one is your callout extensions. So what do you understand by callout extensions? Callout extensions are nothing but your USPs, unique selling point. For example, let's say I have a business. Let's talk about Learn Digital Academy only. So we have callouts as 100% placement assistance. Then we have, so yeah, make sure there's a character limit is there, 25 characters. You have to be in this limit. I'll just make sure we follow the limit. Yeah. Second extension is there. We have fast track course as well. Then we have experienced faculty. And we have multiple centers. So this is nothing but our USPs are there. So these are not clickable. Make sure these are not clickable. I'll show you an example of callouts. So you can see over here callouts. See TensorFlow library, full stop. Lifetime access, full stop. PySpark, dot, full stop. Learn on your schedule, dot, save up to 90%. So this last second line is nothing but all are your callouts separated by full stop. Getting it? So these are not clickable, and again, you should know this is just used to give extra information to your ad. Moving forward, third extension, this is a call extension. Call extension is nothing but giving a mobile number. So I'll show example of call extension over here. Digital marketing courses. Okay, this one you can see over here a phone number over here. So this is nothing but your call extension. This will be displayed next to the display URL. This URL is called display URL. Next to display URL, you can see the mobile number. When you see the same ad in your mobile phones, you can usually see a button coming up over there, call a button. So when you click on it, you can dial on the same number. Okay, so again, this is your call extension. Moving forward, next extension is your structure snippet. So now what do you understand by structure snippet extension? Again, as I told you, again, this is, let's say, extension is used to just to give extra information to your ad, but in a different format. For example, let's say I want to design new structure snippet extension. Language is English. I'll choose the header type. So these are by default, some header types are given. I can choose any one of this. As per Learn Digital Academy, I'll choose courses. Then whatever courses we have Master DM, like Master Digital Marketing. We have Advanced Digital Marketing, and then we have Basic. Oh, so one second. So we have Basic Digital Marketing. Getting it? So these are the, let's say, courses what we provide, and the same you can save this. So something in this format, it would be visible in your ad copy: courses semicolon master DM comma advanced DM comma basic DM. So all the values would be separated by commas, and the headers would be fixed what we give. So you can't give your own headers. Headers are already by default has been given out to you. You can choose any one of the header and can give all the values which is relevant to your business. This is nothing but your structure snippet extension. If you want me to show an example, you can go and search over here digital marketing. So right now I'm not able to see nobody has used this extension, but if you want to see, you can just type over here structure snippet extensions, go to images. So now you over here you can see, for example, styles colon aviator wafer clubmaster round custom. You can see over here services, oil change, battery repair, brake repair. Then you have brands again in a different extension, Firestone, Bridgestone, Primeville. In this way, what we do, we give extra information about our products, what we have. Clear? Moving forward, next extension, what we have is your app extension. App extension is used usually to when we urge people to download our app. This extension is used for mobile phones. So whenever they click on the link, like the extension link, when they click on it, they will be redirected to the Google Play Store. If you want, I can show you the example of this. So I will be searching over here app extensions. So in mobile phones, you can usually see something like this: get the Amazon mobile app. When you click on this, you will be redirected to the Google Play Store, and over there you can download the app. Clear? So this is your app extension. Next one is your message extension, but message extension is nothing but again the same way. You can see at the bottom of your ad, like chat with us to know more. If you click on it, people can chat, your customers can chat with you. But coming in the coming month, they're removing this message extension because they got us a new extension called lead form extension. So in coming month, this message extension would be removed, and this new extension has been introduced called lead form extension. I'll come to this lead extension at the end. Let's go with another one, promotion extension. So what do you understand by promotion extension? Over here, basically what we do, we give offers in promotion extension. So when I click on new promotion extension, you can see over here, if you have any specific occasion, you can give the occasion as well. For let's say Diwali, can give language, can give the currency over here. I'll give INR. So how do you want to give a discount? You want to give your monetary discount, let's say 100 rupees off, or then if you give a percent discount, let's say 10% off. Up to monetary discount means you want to give like up to 100 rupees off, or up to percent discount means up to 50% off. You can decide this scenario. You give the name of your item. So I would say up to monetary discount is, let's say, 500 rupees. Item can give item name. I would say shoes. You can give the final URL, because when they click on it, they will go to your website and they can purchase the product from there, and they can apply this offer over there. So make sure you give your website URL over here. Promotion details is like if you have any specific requirement, any condition, like on orders over, for example, if you do it like 10 orders, then only you get a discount of this much. Or you have want to go with some promo code, you can give a promo code as well. Let's say Diwali 150. This is a promo code. When they apply this promo code, the offer will be applied. You want to give a start and end date to this promotion, you can give a start and end date, you can schedule the promotion, and you can save this. So for website URL, you can give any URL. As of now, I'll just give the random URL. Make sure you have to give your website URL over here so that when they click on this, they will go to your website and they can purchase the product. Once you save this, it would be visible something in this format. If you want me to show an example, you can go and search over here. Promotion extensions. So something like this you can see with the symbol of a shopping tag. And when you click on it, you will be redirected to the website, to the final URL, and then over there you can purchase the product. Let's move to the next extension. If I scroll down, next extension is your price extension. So price extension is nothing but if you have multiple products and you have to display all the prices of your products, you can list it over here. So if you want me to give an example, go to Google, search over here price extensions. So you can see an example of price extension over here, something in this format, like women's haircut, men's haircut. I can see the prices over here. Usually I have seen people who are like, I would say traveling websites or hotel booking websites, they use such kind of let's say price extensions when they want to display the prices of their different rooms, like suite room. You have let's say a basic room, let's say in a suite room, otherwise you have somewhere a special room. So for these rooms, the special prices would be given over here, and they can use this price extension. Next one is your location extension. So location extension is used to give a location at the bottom of your ad, but there's a condition to perform this extension. You should have an existing Google Map Business account with the same Gmail ID, and you have to connect your Google Map Business with your Google Ads. Once you connect with your Google My Business with Google Ads, you're eligible to use that location, and you can add that address over here after your ad. So for this, I can show you an example. So location extension, you can see at the bottom of this, you can see an ad coming up over there. Sorry, address would be shown. And if you click on this, it will be directed to your Google Maps. Clear? And the last one is your lead form extension. This is a new one, which is very interesting and very helpful. Earlier, all the platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, they were using all this called a lead form extension, but recently Google has introduced this lead form extension. So lead form extension is nothing but when you click on the, let's say, extension, lead form extension, you get a form, you have to fill the form, you have to fill the data, and have to click on submit, and you get the customer data. So when I go for create a lead form extension, I have to accept the terms and conditions, privacy policies. Okay. I have to choose the call to action button. Depends upon my business, I can choose. For example, let's say I will talk about Learn Digital Academy. So let's say we are asking you to go and register for our, let's say, courses. So I can write over here, or let's say we're urging people to go and book the demo classes. So let's say book now. We can write over here free demo lecture. Can see this is visible over here. So when person click on this book now free demo lecture, this is an ad, and at the bottom of the ad they can see this. When they click on this, they'll get a form. So in this form, they'll be asked either full name, email, phone number, zip, postal code, whichever whatever data we want, you can choose this. You can give a headline over here, more information about my brand name. So I can give a headline like I can give more information about, let's say, digital marketing course. Can give a business name, Learn Digital Academy, and can give description in detail what is your course about, and you can choose whatever data you want. You have to give a privacy policy URL from your website. If you have an image, make sure you give an image so that people can recognize your brand easily. So give a background image, and when they fill up the information, if they will click on submit, they'll go to a submission message. When they go to a submission message, they can see something like this, like, okay, description you can write over here, like, thank you so much for giving us the information. One of our, let's say, member will be in touch with you. One of our representative will call you back for more information. In this way, you can give a description, can give an extra call to action button. From here, you can redirect them to your website once again. And this is your call to action URL, means give your website URL, so that when they click on this visit website, they go to your website. So I hope this is clear. This is how we use the lead form extension to get the data of your customers. Very interesting extension recently introduced. So this was all about extensions. So I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, make sure you reach out to the trainer and get the things done. Thank you.